Hi TFT team! So what trading rules are allowed with the funded trader? We would like to let you know that there are no restrictions on your trading style, and the actual trading strategy you choose during the evaluation is completely up to you. However, any trading styles that are deemed as cheating are not permitted and will result in a violation of our terms of service. For this reason, it is against the rules to take advantage of strategies that generate risk-free, consistent profits only on demo accounts. Our funded traders are expected to be trading on their accounts as if they are on live accounts. Any use of a strategy that takes advantage of demo environments will result in the closure of a funded trader's account, whether in the evaluation phase or while funded. Please reach out to our support to clarify if your strategy is safe to be used at TFT. Let me mention a few example strategies that violate our rules. Use of guarantee of compliance with limit orders, including take profit or stop loss. Use of platform or data freezing due to a demo server error. Use of delayed data feed, trading on delayed charts, grid trading, trading at a time of significant macroeconomic reports, and being filled at an unrealistic price due to the volatility of the event, marticle trading. These are the most common strategies that we have seen people use to take advantage of demo accounts. Though the list does not represent all possible scenarios that would go against any of our trading rules, if any account is seen to be using unfair strategies or an unrealistic trading style, they will not be eligible to be funded. If you have any questions about the prohibited trading styles, please reach out to our support and we'll be able to answer any questions you have. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck!